When completing our research into film trailers, we found that a typical convention of a film trailer was that the production company logo was always at the beginning of the trailer, and it was generally the last thing that appeared before the film content began. Therefore, we followed this convention so that our product fitted in with the other trailers and that we had researched. Our research concluded that the film title could vary in different productions, however the majority were at the very end of the trailer, just before the trailer's billing block. We agreed as a partnership that it looked better for the title of our film to appear at the end of the trailer, as it comes in very suddenly, which makes it feel like a shock for the trailer to end at this point. We agreed that this could then make our audience feel like they would want to watch more and may therefore want to go and watch the film. In research, it was found that green certificate slides were often found at the beginning of a film trailer, and therefore this is another convention of a film trailer that we followed in our final product, as we made our own green slide from scratch and put it at the beginning of our trailer. When completing my research, I decided on a sci-fi trailer that was particularly effective. This was the I Am Legend trailer, which used a number of voiceovers to explain the events that led to the dystopian world that the character is now living in. And I thought this was really effective use of sound, and therefore we followed this idea in order to create a similar effect and able to help our audience understand more about the storyline through our trailer. When researching and planning for our trailer, we found that even though many films that we looked at did have trailer rushes, sci-fi films did not do this much. However, we really liked the effect that a trailer rush could give, and so decided to challenge this idea of sci-fi trailers and make a slightly different kind of trailer rush. So we added many short clips of different lengths to the end of our trailer, but used transitions so they were not as harshly constructed as the usual trailer rush. I think this helped to create a great effect by adding to a trailer rush that is not too fast, which allows us to also create a sense of mystery to fit in with our slow and atmospheric theme throughout all three products. If I were to do this again, I think I would change the way that we portrayed our main character in our film trailer. This is because when we actually came to look back on it, in our planning and everything, we'd decided that she was going to be a female protagonist that was strong and independent, following the convention of a character like Lucy or Katniss in Hunger Games. However, when we actually watched our trailer back, she seemed to not really follow the convention of the female protagonist, and she looked a bit more like a victim, and she was being bullied throughout the trailer rather than being shown as a hero. So if we were to change it, I think that's something that we would take into consideration.